Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is series of UI technologies CSS and this is part 2. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to learn different ways to write color. First way, color and colon, then name of the color. Let's understand this with practical example. Suppose this is our HTML file, doc type HTML, and then we have HTML, primary language is English, and then we have slash HTML, end of the HTML. Then we have head section and then body section. In head section we have meta tag, meta car set equal to UTF-8. Then we have another meta tag, name of the author Mohsin, and content is the coding boat, and then we have title tag. Okay, what is the title of the current HTML page? Different ways to write color. Okay, then now in body section what do we have? In body section I am taking one heading tag, opening and closing heading, and I am giving heading the coding boat, then paragraph, opening and closing. Okay, so we can take dummy content for this paragraph, lorem ipsum. This is one paragraph I have selected. Okay, and I have pasted here. This is some heading. That is the reason what I will do. I will take H3 slash H3. Okay, within this H3 I have what is lorem ipsum. Okay, let's save the code. Different ways to write color.html. Okay, and let's execute in Chrome browser. It's processing. Please wait for some time. And this is the output of our current HTML code. Now what I am doing, I am taking one CSS file for H1. What I will do, color red semicolon, save the code and color css dot css. Okay, color css dot css. Now will it work? I have created one CSS file. Will it work? Definitely it will not work. The reason is we need to link. Where we will link? In head section. So link, what are the attributes do we have in link? We have related to, then we have type, and then we have href. Correct. Now related to what? Style sheet. Okay, then type is equals to text slash css. Href, what is href? Name of the file is color css dot css. Okay, now save the code and refresh. See here, color is red of the heading 1. This is one way where we have directly written name of the color. Okay, directly we have written name of the color. Now what I am doing, I am going to change the name of the color. Let's take green. Will it work? Let's check. Save the code and refresh. Yes, it is working. Now let's move on. This is one way we can directly write name of the color. What is the another way? Second way, color then colon RGB function. In that function we have combination of red, green and blue, then semicolon. Let's understand with coding. What I am doing, I am typing color picker for CSS. Okay, it's not working. Let me check. Here we have color picker. Okay, so what we can do, see here, observe carefully. I am going to increase the size. Fine. So what do we have? We have one column here, RGB. Okay, if I will move this point, then value will change. Observe carefully. Correct. And what color we are picking, that will be displayed over here. That color will be displayed here. Okay. Okay, so let's change the color, make it like this. Okay, and here we have values of red, green and blue, 66, 158, 254. So how we can write? See, this is one way, correct? And we have another way. What I am doing for H3, for H3 I am taking background color colon space RGB. Okay, RGB. What are the values we have? We have 66, 158, 250, 245. 66, 158, 245, and we have semicolon. Let's save the code and refresh here and observe carefully. Let me increase the size. Observe carefully. Okay, here background color is this one. So this is another way we can use color picker, and we can write combination of red, green and blue in RGB function. Which function? RGB. Okay, now let's move on. We have third way. What is that? We have RGBA function. In that we will write red, green, blue and alpha. So what is the difference here? This is A and this is alpha. This is extra, correct? So let me explain what is alpha. See here, suppose this is one bar, here value is 0 and here value is 1. From 0 to 1, darkness of the color, darkness of color will increase. Okay, let's understand it practically. Now what I am doing for p tag, I am taking color colon RGBA function semicolon. How many values we need to give? We need to give 4 values. Okay, 4 values we need to give. So for that purpose we will check another website so that we can get 4 values for RGBA function. Okay, it's processing. Okay, here we have show more. Okay, see here, if I will select this color, then where is its value? Where is its value? Okay, pick color from image. Okay, see, from here we can select color. Okay, let's take this one. It's processing. Not this one, this one only. See, here we have bar. Using this bar we can select our required color. See, okay, I'm selecting this color, and here we have values 87, 37, 190 and 1. Where? Observe here. Okay, for RGBA function. Now 87, 37, 190. 87, 37, 190 and 1. Let's save the code and refresh. Observe carefully. Got it? So color of paragraph got changed. Now what I will do, instead of taking color, I will keep it background color for better understanding. Now check, observe carefully. Okay, and color will be white. What is white? Let's check. RGB 255, 255 and 255 semicolon. Save the code and okay. So here is our output. So what I will do, instead of 1 I will write 0. Let's check what will happen at background of paragraph. It's completely gone. Okay, now what I will do, I will make it 0.5. Save the code and refresh. See what is the darkness of that color. Now I will make it 8. Save. Check the darkness of background for paragraph tag. Okay, now let's make it 3. Check. See, in this way we can control darkness of the color using alpha value. Okay, now let's move on. Let's understand what is the fourth way. Color colon hexadecimal number. Color colon hexadecimal number. Observe carefully. Here I am choosing this color. Okay, and here we have hexadecimal value here. Okay, I am copying this, and now let's understand with practical example. What I will do, here I will take one more Laurel Ipsum. So all the paragraph will get selected. what I will do here, I will take id. What is id that I will teach in next section, and here id is 2. Save the code. Now here hash 1. Save the code. See, now what will be the output? There will be 2 paragraphs. Okay, observe, one more paragraph is added just now. With the help of id attribute of second paragraph, what I will do, hash 2, and here background color colon. Now here I will have to write hexadecimal number of this color. Copy and paste. Then we have semicolon. Save the code and then refresh. Some mistake is happened. Let me check. Okay, some mistake is happened. Is it correct? id is equals to 2 only. Okay, let's take another hexadecimal number. No problem. Okay, let's take this very bright color. Okay, so copy this number 2596BE and 2596BE, same number is there, but I think here hexadecimal number is not changing, correct? Okay, this is the okay, our hexadecimal number is here, not there. So it is copied and it is pasted over here. Save the code and let me check the output. Paste, refresh. Okay, no changes, no changes. Why no changes? Here I have done one more mistake, double hash. So I have removed that double hash and now I have refreshed. So it is applied, correct? So what we have learned today, there are total 4 ways to write color in CSS. What are those? First, we can write name of the color, name of the color, okay? And second one is we have RGB function. Then third one is RGBA function. And then we can write hexadecimal value, hexadecimal value. And this is the live example. See, here we have used name of the color green, and here we have used RGB function, and here we have used RGBA function. Then here we have used hexadecimal value. So that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.